You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Good morning and welcome to your pre-market briefing on this Wednesday, June the 10th, 2026. Overnight, Asian markets showed a mixed picture that ultimately points to caution for the U.S. Open. The Nikkei 225 had a dramatic swing in its recent sessions. After surging over 2.17% on Monday, it reversed sharply in its Tuesday session, falling 1.89%. That sell-off was driven by escalating U.S.-Iran military tensions, continued pressure on chip stocks, and a hotter-than-expected Japan producer price reading, which rose 6.3% year-over-year. China and Hong Kong proxies, as measured by the FXY ETF, showed slight strength, up 0.20% in pre-market, suggesting relative stability there despite the broader risk-off tone. Overall, Asian markets are already reflecting the U.S. tech weakness, and European markets, currently trading lower by nearly 1%, as indicated by the EFA ETF, are taking their cue from the negative sentiment. Here in the U.S., futures are pointing to a notably weaker open this morning. S&P 500 futures are down about 0.8% versus yesterday's close, while Nasdaq 100 futures are showing a more significant decline of 1.27%. Dow futures are also lower by 0.75%. This is not a marginal drift. Pre-market indicators suggest a meaningful negative tone, particularly for the tech-heavy Nasdaq. SPY is indicated down 0.73%, QQQ down 1.15%, and DIA down 0.61%. The biggest headlines heading into today's session center on an unwinding of the AI trade. Yesterday's session saw a sharp, disorderly retreat in AI and semiconductor stocks. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index cratered 7.54%, erasing nearly all of Monday's recovery. Megacap names are feeling the pressure in pre-market. Apple is indicated lower again after falling 3.64% yesterday due to a perceived letdown at its WWDC event. Tesla is indicated down another 1.51%, while Microsoft is pointing to further weakness, down 1.34%. Even Nvidia, which held up relatively well yesterday, is indicated down over 2% in pre-market, as chip stocks get hit across the board. Beyond the megacaps, Applied Optoelectronics is a name to watch, showing signs of reversal, up 1.88% in pre-market after yesterday's 17% plunge. Looking ahead, the market is bracing for upcoming U.S. inflation data. We'll also be watching for earnings from Oracle after the market closed today. The overall sentiment suggests that the tech-heavy Nasdaq will likely bear the brunt of selling pressure once again at the open. That's your pre-market briefing from Seven Horns AI. Good luck out there today. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more.